Guys, so I am back and pleased to be bringing you another video, and this one is a product review. This product review is of a local brand, a brand created here in St. Lucia, and the name is Ecinaj Naturals. This year, one of my goals for this channel was to bring you more St. Lucian and Caribbean brands because I am a Caribbean woman, and so if I'm going to be doing this YouTube thing, it is my goal to uplift Caribbean brands and other Caribbean women. This footage was recorded since December 2017 or January, and so it means that this video has been in the works for months, so it should have been out to you guys a long time ago. Nevertheless, it just means that I have had more experience and exposure to the products, and so I can give you a more thorough review and let you know what I really think other than my initial review. So let's get into it. Let me just start off by saying that this product line is quite complete in itself. The only thing I think it's really missing is a deep conditioner, because a deep conditioner is a must in my world. But apart from that, it has all of the essential products that you would need to take care of your hair. So one of the products in the line is the shampoo. And let me just start out by saying that this may be my favorite product in the line. This shampoo is very soft. It lathers, but not like a sulfate shampoo, but it does lather. It has a nice lather, nice soft lather. It is actually very moisturizing, and you can actually detangle your hair with this shampoo. And my mom has been using the line alongside me, and she quite thoroughly loves the shampoo. For that matter, as evidence of how much we love the shampoo, the container is empty. And this is the only product that is done in the line. The line is very organic, and that is something I appreciate about local St. Lucian and the Caribbean lines, is that they are very organic and the ingredient lists are very short. And that is because a lot of the ingredients are difficult to access when you're in the Caribbean, and so they only take what is necessary to put in a product. So let me just tell you the ingredients of the shampoo. It's distilled water, castile liquid soap, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, shea butter, nettle extract, guar gum, beeswax, and essential oils. I am going to leave the company's number and email address in the description box because I think that is how you can get them. I do not think that they have a storefront as yet, but I think you can get them at certain stores in St. Lucia, and you can definitely call or email if you are interested in the products. In terms of the packaging is decent. I think because I am here from St. Lucia and I have attempted to put out a product line before, I understand why this simple packaging is what you're going to get, at least at the beginning of your business. The labeling can use a little more work. It can be a little more fancy, but the product works really well. So that is the shampoo. Definitely would recommend. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Next in line is the conditioner. The conditioner comes in a 16-ounce bottle, while the shampoo comes in an 8-ounce. No, it can't be 16 ounce. But it says that these 2 bottles, both of them have 16 ounces on them. But I don't think so. I think the shampoo is probably 8 ounces and the conditioner is 16 ounces. So that's something that they need to check on. I think the label is wrong for the shampoo. But the conditioner is definitely a 16-ounce bottle. And it says that it strengthens, conditions, and moisturizes. The ingredients are shea butter, coconut milk, distilled water, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, nettle extract, preservatives, and essential oil. For the conditioner, another very soft and moisturizing product. However, if you have a texture like mine or density like mine, I would not recommend that you use this as your detangling conditioner because it is too soft to liquid, at least for my hair. My mom's hair, on the other hand, which is less dense than mine and the strands are a lot finer than mine, this conditioner works beautifully for her. But for me, nope, I cannot detangle with this conditioner, and you would see some of the footage. So when I recorded the video, I ended up utilizing another conditioner to detangle. However, like I said, this conditioner is very soft, very moisturizing. So what I do if I'm going to be using this conditioner is I use it as a rinse out conditioner, as my final conditioner that I use. So I may use one to detangle that has a lot of slip, but if I want to add some more moisture to my hair, this is very good for that. So you weigh it. If your hair is like mine, then I probably would not recommend this to detangle. Again, it's very liquid. You can definitely hear it shaking. For that matter, the next product that I'm going to be speaking about, which is the hair lotion, is more viscous than this conditioner. My hair tends to prefer very thick and creamy conditioners. This one is creamy, but it's not thick, so I guess that's what it is. But it is very moisturizing. It's a good product. I can feel the moisture in it just by applying it to my hands, but it does not do what I require in terms of detangling, so one thumb up. Next in line, I have the hair moisturizer, the natural hair lotion, and it says it provides moisture, shine, and will condition damaged hair with vitamin E. The ingredients are coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, soybean oil, coconut milk, distilled water, vitamin E, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, preservatives, and essential oils. I like. This product says it's a lotion, however, that is not the correct term. A product which has a greater oil base, a greater oil capacity than water is, yes, an emulsion, but it is a cream, and it is definitely a cream. One of the things that I think about when I think about this product is that I definitely have to shake it to the top. So that's something I would tell them to work on in terms of the packaging of this hair lotion in particular. I probably would use a pump bottle or a jar for it because it is too thick to be in a squeeze-out bottle. You have to do too much work to get this product out. Very moisturizing. It leaves a white cast initially, which means that it does not absorb readily, which is a characteristic of some creams. It may just be a formulation defect. Not a bad defect, it's a formulation defect. Probably if you use too much cetyl alcohol or too much emulsifying wax. But it is very moisturizing and it does the job. So I think this is the product that in the line that they expect that you use as a leave-in conditioner. It is very thick and very creamy, and it is oil-based but not oily. So it is a good moisturizer. It is not your quintessential leave-in conditioner. It is much thicker than that. It is much more moisturizing than that, but it is a good product. You can definitely apply it directly after washing, and it will keep your hair moisturized even without a sealant. And it is because it is a marriage of both your water-based products and your oil-based product, which is what a cream is. The other product that is in the line, I somehow cannot find it, but I can tell you about it. It is the natural hair butter, and the ingredients are quite similar to the natural hair lotion. So that is something that I find, if they're going to be selling these products together, you can either get the lotion or the butter because they are quite similar. The butter just seems to have an even heavier oil base than the lotion, but they are still very creamy. The butter does have water in it, so it's not really a butter anyway, it's a cream as well. Usually when we speak of a butter in the natural hair community, we're speaking about a product with only oil-based ingredients. So as I was saying, you don't need both of them. They are quite similar. The butter just happens to be thicker and more creamy. If you see me tearing up, guys, it's my allergies, so forgive me. The final product in the hair care line is the natural hair grease, and I definitely love this product. I don't like the smell as much, but it is a very good product. If you are a natural who misses having a grease to grease your scalp, then this is a product you should definitely get your hands on. The ingredients are olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, vegetable oil, beeswax, and essential oils. And I remember one time I had in my braids and my scalp was really being problematic, and I applied it and it gave me a relief. It has that cooling sensation, that tingly, pepperminty type feeling. I don't know what ingredient in it. Oh, it says it has essential oil. So it probably has eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil in there. Very cooling, very soothing, and definitely a good product all around. It has the consistency of a grease, a normal grease. I don't know if you can see that. and it works like one. So I quite enjoy it. Two other products which came in the basket are a sulfur clay mask and a moringa soap. I have not used the moringa soap, but I have used the sulfur clay mask. And I am definitely here for the sulfur clay mask. It uses our natural sulfur mud from the sulfur springs in Soufrière. So if you come into St. Lucia, definitely visit the sulfur springs, and you would be able to get the mud right there and apply it to your skin. But if not, then this sulfur mask is an alternative, and it works really well. I quite enjoyed the products from this brand, Ecinaj Naturals, and again I will leave the information down in the description box. Out of 10, I would give this line a 7. 1, it does not have a deep conditioner. 2, it has products that do the same thing, for example the natural hair lotion and the natural hair butter, and the scents and the packaging can be improved upon, but I won't hold them at fault for that. So I would give it a 7. The products work really well together, and they play nice with other products. For example, I usually use these products with the Eco Styler gel or the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker gel, and it works really well with both of these products. And you know that Eco Styler gel can sometimes not play nice with certain products. Quite like the product line, and I would definitely recommend it. And I'm not just saying that. I have no shares in the company. I don't know the owner. And if it wasn't good, I would not tell you that it is good. So if you are in St. Lucia and you are looking for moisturizing products and you are not quite satisfied with what is on the market, buy local. If you are in the Caribbean, it is not too far away to ship to you. So buy local. And hopefully I will be featuring some more Caribbean brands from Trinidad. If you have a company or you know a brand that I should try, let me know as well. And I would be pleased to feature it and do a product review guide for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Here's what you're going to tell me. Have you used any Caribbean brands? And if so, which brand is your favorite Caribbean brand that you have used? Let me know so that I know what to look into, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.